Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Teaching Violin with Sharzad.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharzad. If this is your first time visiting, my channel is about teaching violin. So today we want to talk about the rhythm. The patterns of long and short sounds and silences in music they call a rhythm. In an easier way is how long we have to play a note, or we don't have to play anything. For now, we're going to start with the quarter note. The quarter note is one beat. When I want to count, I'm going to always count a number plus and for a quarter note. One and I have to play till the end of the and. This one is a quarter rest. Again, I don't have to play for one beat for that.
Okay, so I got those quarter note, quarter rest, got it.
Let's start with a line. So I'm gonna start with counting and for one measure, and then I'm gonna start. You can pick any empty strings or any notes that you like to practice with. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you can write anything you like and you practice. You also can practice without playing with the violin and just clapping. Let's see how does it work. For clapping, every time I clap, it's the number. When I open my clap, it's the and. So, and I'm gonna read it with da or any sound you like. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and da 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 rest da rest da 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 rest da 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 rest. So again, you can write in a line randomly whatever you want and practice. The 8 notes, when we want to count it, we're going to count the number or and. Let's start with an easier line like this. So I'm going to count again till number 4, and I'm going to pick any string that I like and I'm going to play on it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's play another one. This one, again, I'm gonna count number plus and for a quarter note, and I'm gonna count the number or and for an 8. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
This is gonna take some practice. I must stay focused. Maybe I need a break. I got a joke for you. What's brown and sitting on a piano bench? Beethoven's Last Movement.
Let's talk about the speed of whatever I played. The speed in the music, they call it a tempo. The tempo you're starting at the beginning, it should be the same till the end. So if you can't keep the tempo, you can practice with the metronome. And another thing, the tempo that you're playing, the 8 note, it doesn't mean that you have to play fast. It depends on a tempo marking. That we're going to talk about it later. For now, anytime you see a quarter note, you're going to count the number plus and every time you see an 8, you're going to count the number or and. So let's do the second practice with an 8th note with clapping this time. Again, I'm gonna play this one with just clapping. So for the quarter, the whole thing is a quarter. It's 1, and when I open my clap, it's the end. For 8 note, every time I clap is 1 note. Every time I open I open my clap, it's another 8. And I'm gonna sing it with da. Da 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 da.
Da, da, da,
The
da.
second thing I played, da 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 da.
I know it sounds silly, but the practice is gonna help.
Again, you can write anything you want with a quarter note, quarter rest, and an 8th, and then before you play clap, after that start to play with your violin. If it's helpful, please let me know and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Hey guys, thanks for spending time with us. Sharzad and I are making a ton of videos. Just go ahead and subscribe to us. And we got a couple playlists for you guys to keep watching. Let us know if you want us to make any specific videos somewhere where you're struggling. We want to definitely help you guys out. Again, thank you so much. We'll see you soon.